Welcome to MM Tutor. Today, we will explore one of the most fascinating system of human body, the respiratory system. It is a system responsible for breathing, a process crucial for life. We will dive into the structure, function, and significance of respiratory system. So let's get started. The respiratory system is responsible for the exchange of gases in the body. It allows us to take in oxygen, which is vital for cellular respiration, and expel carbon dioxide, a waste product of metabolism. This process is essential for energy production and maintaining a stable internal environment. The respiratory system consists of several key organs that work together to ensure effective breathing. These include nasal cavity, pharynx and larynx, trachea, bronchi and bronchioles, and lungs and diaphragm. So, one by one, nasal cavity. The nasal cavity is the primary entry point for air. It filters, warms, and moistens the air before it passes further into the system. The tiny hair called the cilia trap dust and pathogen from the ear. Pharynx and larynx. The pharynx or throat act as a passageway for both ear and food. The larynx, commonly known as the voice box, is responsible for producing sound and directing air to the trachea. Trachea. The trachea or windpipe is a tube that connects the larynx to the bronchi. It is supported by C-shaped cartilage ring which keeps it open for air passage. Bronchi and bronchioles. The trachea divides into two bronchi, which lead to each lungs. The bronchi further branches into smaller tubes called bronchioles. These bronchioles ensure that air reaches every part of the lungs. The lungs are the primary organs of respiratory system. They house millions of tiny air sacs called alveoli, where the actual gases exchange takes place. Diaphragm. The diaphragm is a dome-shaped muscle located below the lung. It plays a crucial role in the mechanism of breathing by contracting and relaxing to allow air in and out of the lungs. Mechanism of breathing. Breathing is divided into two phases, inhalation and exhalation. Inhalation. During inhalation, the diaphragm contracts and moves downward while the rib cage expands. This creates a low pressure zone in the lungs, causing air to rush in. Exhalation. During exhalation, the diaphragm relaxes and moves upward, and the rib cage returns to its resting position. This increases the pressure in the lungs, forcing air out. The process is controlled by the respiratory center in the brain, located in the medulla oblongata. Gases exchange in the alveoli. The alveoli are a sac-like structure surrounded by a network of capillaries. Oxygen from the inhaled air diffuses across the alveolar membrane into the blood in the capillaries. At the same time, carbon dioxide from the blood diffuses into the alveoli to be exhaled. This exchange is made possible due to the thin wall of the alveoli and the large surface area they provide. Role of blood in transportation. Oxygen from the lungs binds to hemoglobin in red blood cell and is transported to tissue throughout the body. Simultaneously, carbon dioxide produced by the tissue is carried back to the lung, mostly in the form of bicarbonate ions for elimination. Disorder of respiratory system. Some common disorder of respiratory system includes asthma, a condition where the airway becomes inflamed and narrow, causing difficulty in breathing. Bronchitis, inflammation of the bronchi often caused by infection or smoking. Pneumonia, an infection that inflames the air sac in the lungs which may fill with fluid. Lung cancer, a serious condition often caused by prolonged exposure to smoking or pollution. Maintaining good respiratory health by avoiding pollutants, exercising, and not smoking is vital for a healthy system. So, this was all my uh, video. To sum up, the respiratory system is a marvel of biology that ensure every cell in our body gets the oxygen it needs to function. And in intricate design and efficient mechanism make it one of the most vital system in the body. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MM Tutor for more educational video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.